नमस्ते, मेरा नाम Matt है और मैं Hindi सीख रहा हूँ. Howdy y'all, I'm Matt and I'm learning Hindi. Welcome to our channel, Matt Learns Hindi. So I've been wanting to learn Hindi for a while. My wife and her family are from India. I have some phrases and bits and pieces here and there over the last few years from them, but I realized to really learn, I need to take the plunge and start learning in a more systematic manner. I've decided to learn Hindi and I thought we would document my journey. So there's a few reasons that I want to learn Hindi. First is really to be able to connect with my wife's family and culture. You know, her and her family speak Indian languages and it'd be nice to connect with them that way in, a language that's a little more native to them. Also, my wife makes me watch tons of Bollywood films. It'd be cool to be able to watch them without using subtitles. Next, there's actually a lot of utility in learning Hindi. It's the third most spoken language in the world, so it really opens a lot of doors when you're traveling and such. So if you're interested, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be dropping new episodes weekly, so stay tuned. Thanks, y'all, and namaste.